I wanna live like it's Mardi Gras and go dumb with my whole squad.
I know you had your choice of entertainment tonight, you chose the best. So as a result of that, one of you gets to come up here on stage with us this evening. Just any one of you, come on up, There's a staircase right over here.
Oh, on staircase.
Don't make Gabe go out and choose someone.
Gabe, go get him. Sick him, Gabe.
Get him, Gabe.
Go find someone.
You won't have to say a word.
Oh, yes.
Oh, there you go. Sir, my name's David, and you are?
I'm Wes.
Wes, it's a pleasure meeting you. I need you to stand right over here by this microphone. You're a little short. You may want to adjust this. There you go. You do not have to say a single word during the scene. None at all. Instead, you're going to have to make two actors up on stage, please. You're going to have to make the sound effects for every single thing that they do during the scene. So no words, just sound effects. So for example, we're going to give you a little bit of training here. Ty is going to he's going to open up a bowling ball, pull the bowling ball out, and throw it through a car window. Bag. Am I going to say bag?
It was a Velcro bag.
There you go.
Woo!
There you go. Good job. Just make sure you step up here to the microphone where everybody can hear you. Kris is going to grab a cat, give the cat a bath, and then shave the cat, and then throw the cat through the window.
The window's already broken. All right, so
Watch what's going on. The entire time. So now I need from you a suggestion. These two individuals have a really weird occupation, plus a really strange job that they have. Taxidermists. They are taxidermists.
use the cat.
Yeah, bring the cat back. Can you throw the cat back up? She's like, where did it go? So anyway, we're going to be taxidermists, and we're going to start this scene in 3, 2, and 1.
We got a lot of dead carcasses in the back room.
I know, we're so far behind. Look, let me just pull up our cash register here. It's one of those old-timey ones that actually, like, makes noise.
I like how you took an old slot machine and
It's the best. All the change just comes out the bottom. It's fantastic. Here's our sheet. Look, that's how far behind we are. That's how many orders we have just for today.
Oh, well, I'm going to go grab the big bottles of the formaldehyde.
All right.
I'm going to take off the cap with my teeth. Whoa! I think I broke a tooth. I'll be honest with you. I think I broke a tooth.
You almost hit me with the top.
I'll dump it in the bucket.
Oh, I think somebody's at the door.
Oh, damn it!
There must have been one of those ding-dong ditchers again.
Oh, we got those. All right, let me put the thermometer in and see how warm it is. It's pretty hot. It's good.
That's amazing. All right, that's good temperature. That's good temperature. All right, go ahead and hand me the first animal.
Here you go. Still alive. All right. I thought they were all dead. My bad.
I thought we put the sign up that says no alive animals.
Don't worry. I've got this tranquilizer gun. I'll just put it out right now. Maybe not. Here we go.
Oh, I've seen these before. So the animal doesn't get scared off. It makes the noise of the animal.
Yeah, exactly. All right, he's asleep now. Let's go and drop him in.
I'm glad we don't care if he's dead. It matters if he's asleep.
Don't worry. Being submerged in formaldehyde will kill you. He really enjoys the formaldehyde. That's good.
At least he's enjoying this experience. Okay, I think it might be done. Let me grab we have that crane thing. Let me
put my gloves on.
All right. All right, I got a little crane to pull him out of the formaldehyde.
We need a better crane.
It's real old. I like the old technology. You know me. I got the old cash register.
All right, here we go. Listen for a heartbeat. Still alive! It's almost like we're reanimating the cat.
Oh my God, he might be a superhero now.
Don't go back in.
All right. I think he drank all the formaldehyde. He was in there. It's gone.
We got a zombie cat we need to deal with.
We need something more than the tranquilizer. We need a shotgun.
Mine doesn't work.
You got the fake one!
Oh, sorry, we shot a hole all the way down the bottom floor. Hi, Miss McGillicuddy. Hey, you shot her too!
I know something
To regular life, I say au revoir. Hey, living life in the fast lane. May your pain only be champagne. So please come join me. One thing, good vibes only. I just tapped a K.